Hi everyone, hope you're well. I'm seeing quite a few clients at the moment where they are under medical investigation and supervision, but they're just not getting answers. So the tests are inconclusive, and it makes people just feel lost because they think, what do I do now? Where do I go? What can I do to improve my health? When you know that something's not right about your health, even if you don't have any kind of hardcore identifiable symptoms, which sometimes happen, the amount of times that clients just say to me, I just know something's wrong, or I just don't feel right. So it could either be that, or it could be you actually have a list of symptoms, and there are loads of medical tests which have happened, but there's still no answer. Kinesiology is a great way of tapping into what your body innately knows. Your body knows what's going on. So I just want to go through a list of root causes I have discovered just in the last week. So there's one client I saw earlier today, actually, who 2 years ago, at a relatively young age and generally quite healthy, has had, so 2 years ago, had sudden partial loss of eyesight. Turns out that is actually linked to a parasite which he has been carrying since. So we're treating that. Then another client had an infection a few months ago, quite a bad infection, a bit like flu-like symptoms. And after that, severe, and she's quite a healthy person, severe weight loss. So, proper hardcore weight loss. That was a bacteria, which we discovered there. So we're treating that. Then another client with severe headaches. And, there's no stress in her life or anything like that, happy at work, but severe headaches. The main reason we found there is actually adrenal fatigue, despite the seemingly, everything fine stress-wise. So adrenal fatigue and low cortisol, that's what the headaches were linked to. In a 1-year-old baby, found it was holding on to lots of anger, frustration and resentment. And I gently asked Mum about it, and it turns out I had even forgotten that this baby has a younger sister, basically a newborn, which has just come to its life, and he's just crying out for attention, and so he's really angry with Mum for not giving him all the attention. And that explained a lot of the, crying lots and sleepless nights and all of that. So that was anger related. Then a 2-year-old, also with lots and lots of sleepless nights, and we found a fungus. So you can see there's a whole range of reasons. So it could be biochemical, it could be nutritional. These are all the things I look at. But it also could be emotional, also be an energy block. The great thing about the type of kinesiology I do is we look at all of those things, we explore all of that, and we look at what is it the body actually needs and what is going on here. Because if you're not feeling 100%, your body is trying to tell you something, and I'll make it my job to find out what it is. But just wanted to give you an insight into some of the root causes which just I've been seeing just in this last week for clients. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what we do in kinesiology, and how helpful it can be in just explaining things, because if something isn't 100% right, it is worth investigating. That's not normal, and you shouldn't just take it as normal, or being told, well, that's just what you have to live with. No, there's always a reason for everything. All right, hope that was helpful. Take care, bye.